Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I really appreciate you guys take your time and tune into my YouTube channel. So I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm just going to be showing you or sharing with you my favorite tech in the month of August. Basically, these are the tech or items that I bought between the month of July and August. So I'm just going to show you what those items are and how much they cost. Basically, the range that I bought this thing on was between 100 bucks and 500 rand. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you how they work. So before we jump into that, I just want to make a disclaimer. This video I'm shooting it on my iPhone XR, and it's connected via the Lavalier Microphone that I did a video about. Link in the description section below. So it's basically connected to this. So, and yeah, let's jump into the business of the day. So the first item that I have in here with me is this power bank, which I forgot the name. I don't even know because the name is not written anywhere. But basically, this power bank has 15,000 milliamp, which is more juice for me to charge most of my devices. And then the good part about this is it supports wireless charging, which means I'm able to charge this power bank and I can walk out with it without having to carry any cable. I can charge my iPhone just by switching this power bank on and then put my phone on top. There is actually two ways to actually draw and charge the device. Way number one is to use micro USB cable that came with this device, as well as use type C cable or the Thunderbolt cable that I use for my MacBook. You can actually use it to charge it, and the good part is I can also use it to draw power from here to my iPhone. And it also has a USB 2.1, USB-A 2.1. And the good thing about this is you actually have to switch it on in order for you to start using it. And another feature that I like about this, you're actually able to charge this device while you're charging another device. So I can plug in the normal USB here to charge my iPhone 6, as well as wirelessly charge my iPhone XR by just putting the phone on top of this thing. And I can actually walk around just by switching it on, put my phone here, and then I can walk around while using my phone and while it's charging. So it's actually a good product, and I got this for 289 rands from Take a Lot. I'm not sure if the price is still there. I will link this item on the description section below. So item number two that we have here is this guy here. So this is actually a crucial 240 gig SSD storage or SSD drive, which I'm using to back up most of my footage on, and I can tell you it's almost full. But the good part about this, or what I actually like about it, is the speed. This thing is actually fast, and I think it does 6 gig per second. So this is a 6 gig per second drive. This is the speed, read and write speed. Unfortunately, because using this cover, which is another item that I got from Take a Lot, this is actually the cover that I put this hard drive in. So let me just show you how it was actually set up before I took it out. So that's actually how you put it in, and it's connected. So this cover comes with limitation when it comes to speed. So I won't get that 6 gigabyte per second because of the connector and the speed between the, I don't know what kind of a USB, but a micro USB cable goes in here to actually into the computer. But I'm getting about 600 megabyte per second, which I think I managed to copy a 7 gig file just under 2 minutes, which is pretty much good. So the drive itself goes for 489 rands from Take a Lot, and the cover was going for 129 rands also from Take a Lot. So this was actually a good buy for me, and considering the speed that I need to actually import and export the footage before I can edit. It's actually a good product. I will actually link in the description section below. And the next item that I have here is another drive. So the drive that's inside here, it's a 500 gig. It's a normal mechanical drive, and I just bought a cover for it because I've been having this drive for quite some time. And it comes in with this cover. It's leather-like type of a cover, which actually helps to protect. So a drive like that one that I just put down there won't need much of a protection because it's a solid state, so it doesn't actually have a spin disk that actually runs to read the information that you save on the drive. So it's important for you to actually cover this. So I won't say much about the drive, but the cover itself was also this was going for 99 rand. So this was like 99 rand, including this cover to actually protect it. And yeah, the next item that I have, it's actually this guy that I'm using here to record my audio into the phone, directly into the phone. It comes in with this cover. I did video about this and I've been testing it differently. Like now, the reason why I'm doing this video, it's actually continue to furthermore to test how the sound from this Boya Lavalier microphone works or sound when it's connected to the phone, which at the moment I'll leave it to you guys to judge as to how it sounds. But I actually got this from Take a Lot. It was going for also 289 rand. I don't know if that was on special, but as far as I'm concerned, I found the mic very good. It actually helps to reduce the echo that I have in my space, because I try to leave it open so that I can have enough space to set up my gear. But the issue is now when I do that, it actually opens up for the echo. So it's actually a good product because it doesn't actually pick up a lot of noise like the microphone that I have here, which actually lead us to my next product. So the Rode. So I don't want to talk about the microphone, but this microphone actually picks up a lot of surrounding noise. It's a directional microphone, which means when I'm holding the camera like this, I'm able to vlog, but however, the limitations are still there. So, but what we want to talk about here is this guy here. This is a Manfrotto, a mini tripod, which actually use it to mount in the camera if I want to do a vlog or when I'm doing events. So my previous video, I was doing a video at Kyalami. There was a festival of motoring 2019, so I was actually using this thing. So the good thing about this thing is you can actually just press this button here and then you can actually switch to which direction you want to use. And another item that comes with this tripod is actually what I use to mount the phone on there, which I found it very good and convenient. So the way the phone is actually connected, I'm actually comfortable that it won't fall or anything will happen to it. So this I got it at the photo and video experience, which happened last month, also at Kyalami Grand Prix. It was going for the normal price. They said it's what, 489. I got it for 399. So that was like, I think 90 rand discount on this. It's another product that if you are a cameraman or a video grapher, a vlogger, you can get this product. I think now it's going to be going for around probably the same price or 400 and something rand. It's also on Take a Lot. You can get it there. And the other thing that I got, it's actually this guy here. So I got this thing so that I can test this in my car. It's actually a Bluetooth receiver. So you actually use this. This is actually the same on both sides. It's a 3.5 milli jack that goes into your aux, and then you actually switch this Bluetooth receiver on, and then you can connect your phone to this, and then so that it plays music on your phone. But I've tested it and I'm not really happy. Probably maybe because of the price. That's why the quality is not that good. It actually, I don't know if I should say it picks up noise, but the quality of the music that plays in there, it's not as good as when I'm using the physical cable to connect my phone into the aux audio jack as compared to this. So I don't know, this is not that good. I got this for 117 rand from Take a Lot as well, and if you are interested on this could be yours, so you can have this. So since you guys have been loyal, you've watched my video so far, whoever is the first person to comment on this video, you are getting this is a gift from me and the whole DKDEFT family. So yeah, it's actually a gift. Let's officiate it by just putting this on. So the first person to comment on this video, you are getting this headphones. So maybe let me give information about this. It's Tune 110 from JBL Hammond. This goes for 299 rands, I think, at Musica, as well as Incredible Connection and other music store. So the first person to comment, this is yours. So tell me guys what you think about the items that I review. If you're interested on any, I can give you more information, and I really appreciate you guys take your time and tune into my channel. So subscribe if you haven't, drop your comments below, like, and I'll see you guys on my next video.